Welcome back, health enthusiasts. As we all know, greatest wealth is health. In today's video, we'll dive into the exciting world of AI-powered healthcare tools that are making a significant impact on the industry. From robot-assisted surgeries to AI-powered diagnostics, these tools are changing the way healthcare providers deliver care and improve patient outcomes. AI in healthcare refers to the use of advanced technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics to enhance medical processes and patient care. Applications of AI in healthcare, diagnosis and disease. Prediction. AI-powered algorithms can detect diseases at faster rates than human experts, leading to more accurate diagnoses. Virtual nurses. AI chatbots are assisting patients with health monitoring and providing guidance between doctor visits. Robotic surgery. Surgical robots enable more precise and minimally invasive procedures, reducing risks and improving recovery time. Wearables and smart clothing. AI-enabled wearables monitor vital signs and protect against pollutants, ensuring safer work environments. Companies striving to save lives with AI. Path AI, using AI algorithms to diagnose diseases like breast cancer with higher accuracy than human pathologists. Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, leveraging AI to diagnose deadly blood diseases earlier with 95% accuracy. Amazon Web Services, AWS, introducing AWS HealthScribe, an AI-powered service for generating clinical documentation, saving healthcare workers time and reducing administrative burden. Do you know AWS HealthScribe? Well, here's the top trending news on AI healthcare developments. Amazon Web Services introduced a new service using generative AI and speech recognition to draft clinical documentation, saving time and reducing administrative workload for healthcare workers. Use cases and examples of AI's life-saving impact. Faster diagnostics. AI diagnosing breast cancer more accurately than human pathologists. Patient monitoring. AI-powered virtual nurses providing real-time support and guidance to patients. Safer surgeries. Robotic surgery, reducing complications and recovery time. The future of AI in healthcare. AI's potential to transform drug discovery, personalized care, and mental health treatments. Telehealth and virtual care. Rapid growth with new unicorn companies entering the market. Health-first AI. Innovations in wearable computing and warehousing intelligence for health insights. Promising jobs and careers in AI for healthcare researchers and engineers in radiology screening and drug interactions. Develop AI tools for interpreting imaging results, detecting diseases, and identifying potential drug interactions in medical literature. NLP specialists work on natural language processing-based solutions for medical data automation and literature screening. Robotic surgery specialists integrate surgical robots into hospitals to improve precision in complex procedures. Health data scientists process and analyze vast amounts of health data for optimized patient flow and resource allocation. AI and machine learning experts create algorithms for drug discovery and diagnostics, improving medical decision-making. Virtual reality and robotics engineers develop VR training for medical students and utilize robotics in patient care. Evidence-based treatment and AI experts combine evidence-based treatment with AI for precise medical decision-making and bioinformatics analysis. Types of companies. The AI sector dedicated to healthcare is one of the world's fastest growing within the AI field. Companies operating in this space include pharmaceuticals like Saliency AI and Benevolent AI. Medical research entities like Google Health and Encore insights into complex healthcare data analysis. AI-based healthcare solutions have already outperformed medical experts, saving time, decreasing risks, and making healthcare more accessible to all. Types of applications. AI technologies like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, robotics, and automation processes are applied in preventive medicine, patient monitoring, diagnosis processes, treatment optimization, drug discovery, and personalized medicine. Virtual nurses. Companies like Babylon and Buoy Health are developing AI-powered virtual nurses that interact via text or voice to provide support, answer questions, diagnose conditions, and guide patients to appropriate care. Diagnosis. AI healthcare tools excel at uncovering patterns from data, enabling doctors to perform holistic analyses, identify predispositions, and detect diseases early. Companies like Path AI and Posia are pioneers in AI-powered image analysis for diagnosis. Personalized treatments, dedicated to developing methods that adjust medical treatments to individual patient profiles. Companies like Benevolent AI and Tempus utilize AI tools to analyze vast personal data and derive customized, more successful treatment solutions. Surgical robots. Companies like Vicarious Surgical and Auris Health use surgical robots to assist doctors in performing complex, minimally invasive procedures, reducing complications, pain, and recovery time. System optimization. AI tools efficiently process patient data, helping institutions manage patient flow and resource allocation. Solutions like Aventis are designed to optimize healthcare operations. Drug research. AI-assisted drug research, exemplified by BioCell Therapeutics and Atomwise, accelerates the discovery of new medications, reducing time to market and costs. Healthcare is rapidly evolving with artificial intelligence, genomics, and big data at the forefront. As technology transforms healthcare, it opens doors to exciting career possibilities in specialized areas. Personalized medicine. The advancement in understanding the human genome allows for the development of targeted treatments based on individual genetic profiles. Imaging-based screening. A new subspecialty combining expertise in imaging and screening science emerges, bringing perspectives and technical expertise to the screening process. Health data science. Data scientists are in high demand as healthcare relies on big data for analysis, research, and resource allocation. AI and machine learning. Engineers and research scientists create and implement AI algorithms, accelerating medical decision-making and improving patient care. Virtual reality and robotics. Opportunities arise for engineers and designers to use VR and robotics for medical training, surgical preparation, and patient care. Collaborating and crossing disciplines. Innovation in 21 century healthcare careers involves interdisciplinary collaboration, combining IT specialists with healthcare administrators. We've explored the incredible power of AI in healthcare, from diagnosing diseases faster to improving patient care with virtual nurses and surgical robots. The future holds even more promise, with AI expected to revolutionize drug discovery and personalized treatments, especially for complex neurological diseases, mental health conditions, and cancer. AI's potential to transform health and care is limitless. Stay tuned for the latest updates in this ever-evolving field. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.